So this is the first of the cooking class video. That lady you see right there, she's the cooking class teacher. They picked me up at my hotel around 8 a.m. and the bus they came with already had a number of other tourists who are interested in the cooking class. I have to use the narration because my camera broke. For some reason I only have video but no audio, and at the time I wasn't even aware of that. So here we are in a market right there. You can see rice right there. The second bucket from the right looks like rice. And she's explaining to the students, I guess about probably different types of rice. Because I remember she was talking about sticky rice. There's a way you make sticky rice, and sticky rice is very popular in Thailand. You heard of mango and sticky rice? Yeah. So there's a special type of rice, and the way you make it, it comes out really sticky, like gooey like. So that's popular. So she's explaining right there. Everybody is listening attentively. I remember walking around that market after. I think after that she let us go walk around, and then told us that we could meet. We have a meeting point outside, like where we came from outside the market. She said meet us there. I think it was like in 10 minutes or so after. So she's doing all that talking. But later on we're gonna learn to cook some Thai food. And when I came on the bus, they gave me like a form, and I could choose. I think it's like for 2 different dishes. The type of curry, I think I chose the masamam curry. So we're gonna make like a curry, one type of curry, and like spring rolls and so forth. And it's like a soup that we all made. And there are different types of curry. So yeah, walking around right now. And that's the market there in Chiang Mai. So if you look up there, you see like oil and other sort of ingredients if you're gonna cook. So she got her name right there. I think it says Regent. Yeah, that's a name tag right there. Regent. That's the first time I ran into a Thai person with a name like that. Because usually it's like a nickname, like, well, three letters, like Noi. But Regent. You look at all those ingredients there, you feel like going cooking. So what she's holding in her hand there looks like one of the fish sauce. They usually use fish sauce to cook, and like different types of dishes and so forth. So that package there she has in the hand, she's explaining like what you will do with it when cooking and so forth. So obviously they open early.